твою мать!
Here's a very interesting video just posted online. This video is from Crimea and it shows two Russian Sukhoi 25 taking off in close formation. One of them appears to clip the wing of the other, which soon sends it crashing into the ground. It's very interesting footage. This was rumored yesterday. Photos of a cloud of smoke over Crimea were posted online with speculation that either a Russian jet had crashed or even that Russia had accidentally hit one of its own Sukhoi 25 with a surface-to-air missile. Well, we now have confirmation that it was an accident. Here is a screenshot where their wings appear to collide. And here, a split second later, we can see damage to the wing, the tip of it dangling down. This was reported to have happened at Krasnoperikopsk. And yet, upon closer inspection, it doesn't seem like the two planes are touching. It is possible that the cause is a malfunction that occurred as a result of previous missions.